Well, hello, good morning. It's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you once again. Our first lockdown foray into one of our cities, and we're in Manchester. It's a Monday morning. There's a fair bit of traffic about, although of course nothing like normal, and perhaps this is the new normal. Dickens of a job to find somewhere to park. There's roadworks all over the place. All the roads are up and the bits that are not dug up on purpose have fallen to pieces. It's like visiting a third world capital. Anyway, there's not that many buses around, but we'll get some shots of what we can find, because as we always say, we shall see what we shall see. So I better get on with it. It's nice to be back in the saddle, as it were, with the bus coverage, and great to have you all along with us today. Hope you're all staying safe and well. See you all shortly. I'm not sure what percentage of normal services are working. I guess it must be something like about 10%. I certainly wouldn't want to be in a smaller town. Although, having said that, perhaps there's more in a smaller town. All feels a bit weird being back doing it all again. It's so recently that we came and covered the buses in the new liveries. You'll just have to bear with on the exposure. I need to keep it at 100th of a second for the filming, because otherwise the destination screens flicker round, and that's probably more annoying than anything. Any of the automatic settings just don't really withstand these conditions. I'm not really sure if they're going to get any business on the city centre free bus service. I'm not sure if there'll be anybody wanting to be on board. Well, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer, back with you again. Well, I've just come to the end of my filming in Manchester. A little bit more hassle at Piccadilly. I was hanging on, hoping that I'd get to see the stagecoach bus in the new branding, but it was not to be. But at least I can say I've seen one from a distance. It's been great having you all along with us, and hope are coming along and showing you the buses such as there are in Manchester may save you having to put yourself at risk going along to have a look at what's going on. Hopefully we've brought it to your door or to your computer. Anyway, time to say goodbye. So bye for now, and God willing, stay well, stay safe, as they say. Not sure what it's all meant to be about, but anyway, do everything you're supposed to do, and we'll all be together again soon, hopefully. And I'm getting off home now. I hope Mandy puts the kettle on, and she's got some super fruit cake she's made, so a piece of that wouldn't go amiss. Anyway, from me, bye for now.